Okay, we also know that God created man, and the first man in our world was Adam and Eve. It's all about the creation of man. So, as you can see, we have the same we have similarities. We have our own identity. For example, me, I am Ronina. You know me as Ronina, and that's my identity. I am a musician like that. Then,
You love that?
then the next one is also a man faces a problem. You're not a man if you don't face or struggle a problem, right? No. Then, of course, as I say that we face a problem. You're abnormal if you're not laughing, smiling, whatever, and so on and so forth. And then, we have our own works, career, and professionalism. Like us, what is our main point that we study dentistry? Because we want to be a doctor of dental medicine, right?
Yes.
Hello.
Oo.
So, yun. Then, we have our own lifestyle. For example, we put some music here because we crush you. We like you. Sorry, wrong grammar. So, yun, I just want to be happy kasi you're so serious and I know you're happy. Thank you.